At Protex, we specialize in high-quality flooring solutions. Our products are designed for durability, aesthetic appeal, and long-lasting performance. We offer a variety of flooring types, including LVT, SPC, and engineered wood flooring, to meet the diverse needs of our customers. Protex is committed to providing tailored flooring solutions for every client. From product design to final installation, we provide comprehensive support at every step of the process. Our team of experts works closely with clients to ensure their needs are met and expectations exceeded. We work with wholesalers, retailers, distributors, and contractors who require reliable and high-quality flooring solutions for large-scale projects. Whether you're building a commercial property or renovating residential spaces, Protex offers the products and expertise to support your business needs. Why choose Protex? We combine cutting-edge technology with high-quality materials to deliver flooring solutions that are both durable and stylish. Our commitment to quality control and customer satisfaction ensures that every product we offer meets the highest standards. Protex flooring is ideal for a wide range of applications, from residential homes to large commercial spaces. Our products are designed to withstand high traffic areas, making them perfect for offices, hotels, and retail stores. With our diverse range of designs, colors, and finishes, we can create a flooring solution that perfectly matches any space. Our team of experts is here to guide you through every step of the process. From product selection to installation advice, we provide the knowledge and expertise to help you make the right choices. Our dedicated customer support team is always available to assist with any questions or concerns you may have.